Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making my butterfly paradise, but I do have different colored butterflies. But first off, like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's show you what I have. So of course I have one glove on. So of course I have my gloves. You can find these at, Dollar General, any store really. Then I have my peppermint essential oil, by which of course I'm making peppermint bliss but with butterflies. And then here are my containers. Ooh, they just came today, so I'm really excited. So here are my containers, very beautiful. So I'm only doing 3 of the purple ones because I want to see how they sell. But look at this purple, they are beautiful, oh my gosh. And then of course I have my famous grapeseed oil. I love grapeseed oil. And then I have my syringe right here. And then, sorry, this is my other butterflies. And then of course I have my 3.5 pound Versigel. So let me put on my other glove and let's get started. But yeah, always be struggling. Yes, let's get started with the Versigel. So with the Versigel, I'm only gonna add like a small amount. Like I said, I'm only gonna make 3 of my purple ones. Maybe I'll make more, I don't know, I'll see. But yeah, so let's do this. Of my oil. Then I'm gonna start mixing, of course, once again. But yeah, sometimes when you make like lip gloss, it can be trial and error. That's why I like making big amounts of like lip gloss that I already have, because I know what I need to do. I don't like making small quantities because I feel like I always mess up, but whenever I make big quantities, I never mess up. So, but things happen. So now I'm mixing it. Okay, so then now I'm gonna add the essential oil. Sometimes it takes a while to come out, sometimes I shake it. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's good. And then now I'm gonna put some of the butterflies in there. So I'm gonna put the butterflies in there. Hold up, let me see. So let's see. Okay, so let's start mixing it. Oh yeah, this is perfect. This is so cute. Hold up, I'm gonna show y'all up close, but first I don't know, it looks way better in person, honestly. I don't know, it looks way better in person. And I feel like the light kind of sucks because the sun isn't out really. But yeah, this is so cute. Aw, I love this. See? Usually when you add oil, it gets clumpy, but just gotta keep on mixing it, and then it turns back to normal. But yeah. So Joe, I always scoop it into the sorry, I don't know why I cannot speak. Always scoop it into the syringe. That's just how I do it. I used to like suck it up, but now I don't. I don't like it. But yeah, this is how it looks like. Trying to give y'all an up close. And of course, when I put it in the squeeze tubes, later on it will get like 100% clear. There will be no bubbles or anything such as that. So that's what I love. So let's do that. Yay. Okay, first I need to put this in here. Wait. You're really great. Yay. So there you go. So now I'm gonna show you guys. See, so like I said, all the little bubbles will go away afterwards. Oh, by the way, I have the stopper, so now I'm gonna put the stopper in. Ugh. There you go. So there you go. Ooh. So you see the butterflies. There you go, all done. Like I said, I'm gonna take better pictures and things like that. This is really cute. I love this. Ooh. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Got 2 done, yay. Now let's do this one. This is my 3rd one. And then I'm gonna bring out more because I did make a good amount. I might put them in squeeze tubes, honestly. Okay. Yeah. Yay. Okay guys, so now I have my squeeze tubes. I guess I'm gonna I'm gonna try selling them in squeeze tubes, but I know they're really popular in these. But yeah, let's get started. First I need to refill this. Okay. Just putting it in here once again. So this should be enough to fill up at least 1 squeeze tube. So let's try that. Yay. There you go. And usually these my squeeze tubes, they clear up a little bit, but not all the way, you know. I don't know why I don't know why they get so clear in the wand tubes. It's just really weird. But yeah. So then now I'm gonna get the stopper and put it in here. And yeah. So I got the stopper, yay. There you go. I got 1 done. I don't know. I'm gonna see. I might just keep this. Yeah, look at that. It's so cute. Look at the butterflies. Yeah, so I got 1. Oh yeah, this is really nice in these too. It's really nice in the squeeze tubes also. They look way better in person. It looks really nice in there too. But yeah. All right. And then I can like do 1 more. Hold up. Okay, then I need to refill it, and then I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. Okay, grabbing the stopper, put it in there. So yeah, here you go. Ooh. So yeah, this is Butterfly Paradise, but in the purple hollow. But yeah. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And yeah, I love this so much. Okay, but yeah, thank you all for watching. Yeah. Look at these.